In this video, we will show the best hair brushes available to buy. At number 10. Beater Wood Tips Cushion Brush. The cushion brush is the ideal brush to help you gently untangle your hair, leaving it soft and supple, while being gentle on your scalp. At number 9. Ikonic Head Hug Blow Dry Brush. It comes with a concave barrel which ensures hair doesn't fall off the brush and prevents tangles. The ceramic aerated barrel dries the hair rapidly. At number 8. Jean-Louis David Hairbrush. This brush with its unique structure has been exclusively designed to provide the most effective brushing. Its large honeycomb structure provides better air diffusion and faster drying. At number 7. Beater Hair Flow Deslia Hairbrush. This Hair Flow Deslia hairbrush has a faster drying heat-resistant surface, along with holes by which passes the maximum of air and tines that separate the strands. At number 6. The Body Shop Bamboo Pin Hairbrush. A rubber cushion pad gently follows the contours of the head. Round tip pins will not scratch the scalp during use and are especially good for penetrating thick hair. At number 5. Vega Hot Curl Brush Big. It is ideal for adding wave, curl during blow drying, and at the same time it makes your hair shiny. The heat-activated ceramic coating allows even heat distribution. At number 4. Roots Ceramic Barrel Hairbrush. Its porcupine natural bristles shorten drying time. It has rubber grip that ensures a firm hold. It also has an aerated barrel that allows movement of air coming from the blow dryer. At number 3. Gubb USA Vent Hairbrush. This attractive brush is the perfect solution to detangle your hair. Its soft bristles are ideal for scalp surface, and its smartly designed handle offers you a perfect grip while combing your hair. At number 2. Kaiv Paddle Hairbrush is made from finest material to give your hair the care it deserves. The wide base of this brush conforms to the shape of your scalp. At number 1. Roots Professional Silicone Hairbrush. The ceramic emits negative ions and ensures even heat distribution to avoid damage to hair, whereas the bristles guarantee a silky, shiny and frizz-free finish.